Hi students, welcome to the session. I am Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In our previous class, we learned about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. In this session, we see History of AI. Overview of the presentation. In this session, we discuss about the history. So, outcome of this lecture. At the end of this lecture, you all understand the key milestones in the history of AI from the inception to present day advancements. History of AI. In 1943, the first work which is now recognized as AI was done by Von McLeish and Walter Pitts in 1943. They proposed a model of artificial neurons. In 1949, Donald Hebb demonstrated an updated rule of modifying the connection strength between neurons. His rule is now called Hebbian learning. This Hebbian learning we use to modify the connection strength between the neurons. In 1950, the Alan Turing, who was an English mathematician and pioneered the machine learning in 1950. Alan Turing publishes the Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test. The test can check the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence. This test we called as Turing test. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed a Turing test. This Turing test we use to find the ability of the machine, how the machine exhibit intelligent behavior that is equivalent to the human intelligence. Next, in 1955, and Alan Newell and Herbert S. Simon created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named as logic theorist. This logic theorist has proved 38 out of 52 mathematics theorems and find new and more elegant proofs for some theorems. This is the first artificial intelligence program, called as logic theorist. In 1956, the word artificial intelligence first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy. John McCarthy we called as a father of artificial intelligence. The word artificial intelligence first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth conference. For the first time, AI coined as an academic field. In 1966, the researchers emphasized developing algorithms which can solve mathematical problems. Joseph created the first chatbot in 1956. The first chatbot created in 1966 by Joseph, and the chatbot name is Eliza. In 1972, the first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan, which was named as Wabbot 1. In 1974 to 1980, this duration we call as a AI winter. AI winter means this refers to that period the computer scientists deal with a severe shortage of funding from government for AI researchers. In 1980, after AI winter duration, AI come back with expert system. Expert system means these expert systems are programmed that emulate, that means simulate the decision making ability of a human expert. In 1987 to 1993, the duration between the years 1987 to 1993 we called as second AI winter. Again, investors and government stopped in funding for AI research as due to high cost but not efficient results. Okay. In 1997, in the year, IBM Deep Blue beats the world chess champion Gary Kasparov and became the first computer to beat a world chess champion. IBM Deep Blue beats world chess champion Gary Kasparov. In 2002, for the first time, A entered the home in the form of Roomba. So Roomba means it's a vacuum cleaner. That means the first vacuum cleaner, A vacuum cleaner, invented in 2002. In 2006, A came in the business world till the year 2006. So companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix also started using AI models. In 2011, in the year 2011, so IBM Watson won Jeopardy. It's a quiz show where it had to solve the complex questions as well as riddles. So Watson had proved that it could understand natural language and can solve tricky questions quickly. Now, so this IBM Watson participated in a quiz show and it is understands the natural language and it solves those problems very quickly. Okay. In 2012, so Google has launched Android app features. So Google Now, so which was able to provide the information to the user as a prediction. So they will, so this Google Now, so this app will we use this app is used for prediction. In 2014, chatbot Usain Ghostman so won a competition in the famous Turing test. In 2016, AlphaGo defeats Go champion. In 2017, ChatGPT is introduced. So GPT means generative, so pre-trained transformer. In 2018, so Google introduced BERT, so bidirectional encoder representation from transformers. So it is a transformer based model, so for natural language understanding. In 2019, GPT-2 and even more advanced versions of the original GPT was released by OpenAI and capable of generating human-like text with remarkable fluency. In 2020, AI played a crucial role in the global response to the COVID-19 pandemic, with AI models being used for drug discovery, diagnosis, and so we use these AI models to solve many real-time problems. They are going to use for diagnosing a particular disease. 2021, AI-based systems like DALL-E from OpenAI and DeepArt gained popularity for their ability to generate unique artwork, and AI-driven music compositions began to rise in various entertainment industries. So from 2021, so these are the AI models. DALL-E, this is the famous to generate artwork, to generate some music. In 2022, as AI technology become more widespread, so concerned around AI ethics, bias, and so governance promoted calls for stronger regulation. Why means here in 2021, so many AI tools are available and all these AI technology become more widespread. That concern, then we are going to concern about the ethics and bias and governance promoted calls for stronger regulations. We need some regulation policy to control these AI models. We need some government regulations to control the new AI models. In 2023, AI models continue to evolve with multi-model systems that can understand and generate both text and images. Example, GPT-4. So 2024, AI integration in everyday life and beyond. So AI continues to impact in every sector. I hope you all are know that in nowadays we are using these AI models in many sectors. So for example, if you open your WhatsApp, there is a Meta AI. So we say that AI continues to impact on every sector, from automated customer service to AI enhanced healthcare and AI in space exploration. So AI capabilities in areas such as language translation, personalization, autonomous vehicles, and cybersecurity have reached new heights. So coming to significance of AI, so AI is increasingly integrated into daily life with significant focus on ethical AI development, so privacy concerns, and advancing general intelligence. So this is about the history of AI. I hope you all are understand the history of AI. So thank you.